Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yeni Komariah from class B2 English. I will present a research proposal by Miss Felia Afifa Rahma. Let's get on with it. A. Background. This research conducted based on the following consideration. First, Bruno Mars is a well-known American singer-songwriter and many connoisseurs of his songs. The song in the Doves and Hooligans album has a lot of awards and famous among the world community until now. The writer is interested in analyzing metaphors in song lyrics because the singer communicates with society by expressing themselves through and feelings through the song. Second, in the album Doves and Hooligans, there are many songs that contain different meanings than what was intended. Third, there are some people who don't really understand the metaphor in these songs. Fourth, by doing this research, listeners will get a lot of information about the meaning of the songs on the album Doves and Hooligans. Fifth, the listeners will not understand the meaning of these songs if the research is not done. B. Research question. Based on the background above, the research question from this study are: first, how many metaphors are used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans? Second, what are the types of metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans? Third, what are the forms of metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans? Fourth, what are the functions of the metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans? Fifth, what are the meanings of the metaphors used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans? C. The aims of the research. Based on the research questions, the aims of the research are: first, to find how many metaphors are used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans. Second, to list the types of metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans. Third, to know the forms of metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans. Fourth, to know the function of the metaphor used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans. Fifth, to understand the meanings of metaphors used in Bruno Mars' album Doves and Hooligans. D. Advantage of research. Based on the aims of the study, the assumptions of the study are as follows. First, many metaphors are found in this album. For example, structural metaphors, ontological metaphors, orientational metaphors. Second, there are several types of metaphor that founded, for example, ontological metaphor, black, and blue, orientational metaphor, I'll be the light to guide you. Third, there are several forms of metaphor that founded, for example, I'll be the light to guide you. This line is an objective nominative metaphor because the figurative symbol is you, while other sentences are still expressed in a direct meaning. Fourth, the function of metaphor is that it is used purely aesthetic reason because the word metaphor is the natural word for expressing some object that has the deepest meanings. Fifth, meaning of metaphor contained in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans are the meaning black and blue in Grenade's song is it does not literally mean colors of the skin, but a condition of being mixed up completely, having been beaten by someone else. The meaning tell the devil I said hey. In Grenade's song is hers was comparing the girl to being evil like a devil. E. Operational definition. Based on the research question, the method used in this research is 1. The method of the research. This research was written using descriptive qualitative methods to complete research. 2. Collecting data technique in this research are browsing internet, library research. 3. Technique of analyzing data. Distribution. 4th, procedure of research. Based on the explanation above, the writer has taken the following steps. Listening. Listen to the whole songs in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans. Reading. Read the song lyrics in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans. Identifying some sentence words and find a metaphor in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans. Analyzing, interpreting the data of metaphors in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans. Describing, explaining the analysis of metaphors in Bruno Mars' album Dupes and Hooligans that has been done. Concluding, summarize the result of the research.